it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout. Today's a 2-page layout. So I am scrapbooking these photos from Parents' Day last year for M number 4. This was his first kind of school experience. So it was so cute, or true school experience. He had done a little bit of like a short class kind of a thing, but this is more of a close to a full day for him. Anyway, so darling photos of him with mom and dad. So cute. So I decided I had a hard time picking papers for this because the colors on the left are very muted and pastel. The colors on the right are not. There's a lot going on the photos on the left. There's a lot going on in the photos on the right. So I decided to pull a blue, almost an aqua, which is the color of his shirt. So I thought that would help put some focus on him. And then as I played with, before I started this video, as I played with a background, I just decided to do another blue background. So that blue heart paper is from Bella Boulevard, Hearts and Ombre in the ice version. And then the navy paper is Creative Memories. It's a totally tonal blue designer paper pack is where that one's from. And I think that was from last year from Creative Memories, if I remember correctly. So I'm just going to do like 2 photo blocks here and then kind of line them up. And I did something so that my papers didn't line up, and maybe they never did because it is definitely directional. I'm not quite sure what happened there, but something weird happened. And so the hearts don't line up as you go across the page. I'm okay with that. It's fine. Do I normally try to line them up? Yes. But when I discovered it, I decided it wasn't worth like throwing the papers away and starting over. So there we go. Speaking of Creative Memories, I am pulling out my very old corner punch, which actually was a gift from my aunt when she stopped scrapbooking. I kept her corner punch, and I have her 4x6 photo trimmer, which are both really wonderful tools, and they're old. So anyway, they have versions of them now, but these are the old versions. So then this is kind of where I'm looking at it and discover that, yeah, those, they don't like line up, but oh well, that's just what's going to happen. And this is one of those where it was really hard to figure out how I was going to place photos, because I really love the photos of them with him and wanted to pull them together, but there was so much going on the right page, but all of those things are important. So this is one of those that, it was a tough page to do from a photo design point, but the important part about it is the memory is documented, right? So I'm adding in some green stickers here. These are from the Creative Memories Totally Tonal Kelly Green Designer stickers. And the reason I'm choosing to do that is that there's some green in that picture of the flower, which is really a card for them, and it's so dominant on that right side. I wanted to put some of it somewhere on the left side and or scatter it around the photo, because I figured if I did that, it would really help kind of neutralize that green. So I'm also thinking of what I'm going to do for a title, and I pulled out these are the Doodlebug Alphabet Soup letters in, I don't remember what color, let me get it for you, it's easy here, in Limeade. I love that. This is also when I realized I should order some more because I've got a scrapbook weekend coming up this spring, and I don't have, on top of it, I don't have very many of those left, and they are my new favorite letters. Not that I don't have 50,000 other letters I could use, but it is what it is. Anyway, so I'm just kind of going through, I shifted that sort of little journaling piece and then to the left just because it was so dominant and it was very dark, so I thought it helped balance on that other corner. The problem is it's kind of it's not just a square. There's a lot of stuff going on there. So it's kind of hard to figure out what to do here. And one of the things that I always forget is that if you stick Creative Memory stickers to each other, they will pull the color off. So just know that, that's one thing. You pay more for these products, and honestly, the quality is a little suspect. I get that the papers are thinner, and that's because they actually go on a background paper within their album, so that totally makes sense to me. But stuff like this shouldn't happen. Big complaint for me. But I do like the fact that they are doing some stickers in like just a colorway, so I put up with it. Anyway, so one of the things I loved these stickers too is for that one that I put on the top on the right hand side that says your moment to shine, because he's number 4, so he's got a lot of competition there for shining. So I just thought that was really, really sweet, and he is really the sweetest child and so easygoing. I mean, I guess he's learned he needs to be, right? But I just think he's just a sweet boy. So I know I'm his grandma, but still. So I was playing with that tag, and I just have not been able to make it work. It just is, I really wanted to use it, but because I liked the fact that there was that dark green, but it just wasn't working. It just looked off and funny and in the stack. So I just put down that Feelin' the Love sticker. I am adding in a couple of heart stickers from that sticker assortment there. And to the two embellishment clusters on the right and the left. And then just kind of looking to see if there's anything else from that I want to put on. Still trying to think about adding something to that cluster, and it's just not working. So I'm thinking about more heart stickers, but that's not working. And then I realized that the green feels like it's just totally sitting on top, and it's not anywhere in the background. So what I did here is I grabbed these navy puffy hearts from the Ellie Studio puffy heart stickers. They have lots of different versions. I think these were from last year, but they're putting these out all the time in different colorways. And that really helps bring the blue to the foreground, which pushes the green a little bit more into the background. All right, you guys, here's the still shots and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.